Hey, how's it going again? I want to show off another app I'm working on. This is just me through one of my security cameras, so I'll get out of there. But this is a thermostat app I started writing, and it's pretty cool. It ties into my X10 thermostat, which I showed you before, which is ugly and I don't like it. And if I build another one, I'll probably make it out of an Arduino. But that's okay, because one of the main points behind writing these applications is that they're basically front-end only, and it doesn't matter if I have an Arduino in the back end, or a Nest, or a radio thermostat company, or this crappy X10. I should be able to throw something different in the back end and keep the front end the same and just do minimum code changes. So if I wake this up and I don't know, I'll change the temperature and hit set. You can see it reflected there immediately. I can switch between, AC, heat. Right now I'd have it on timer, which I'm not going to bother to explain. But yeah, you can see it's pretty responsive, and it grabs the weather forecast from Yahoo's weather API because it's free and it's half decent. Draws a pretty animated image in the background for what's going on, gives me the humidity and blah blah blah. But I'm also logging it to a database, so I can actually start doing some interesting things based on a large data set over the years. Like maybe do some nesty sort of stuff, like start getting intelligent with weather prediction. And I'm hoping to install a exterior kind of mini weather station. If you check out some Arduino projects, you'll see people posting things where they're taking the temperature and the light and the humidity and wind speed and all that sort of stuff for their local area, instead of relying on what particular weather API claims that it's doing in your area. Another key thing that I wanted to make sure I didn't miss is this is a HTML5 based application written in Apache Cordova, which means it should be cross-platform between at least Android and BlackBerry. I don't know what the state of affairs with iOS and Windows Phone is for HTML based apps. And more importantly, it looks identical when I hit it over the internet from, say, a web browser. So I get a nice consistent interface. And to be honest, some people talk down to HTML5 apps, but I feel with the current web rendering engines and the state of affairs with Apache Cordova, it's more than capable for stuff like this. In fact, it's kind of preferred, considering I can get truly cross platform for mobile and PC and who knows what else. Tablets are going to look the same, that sort of stuff. And last but not least, this is kind of a freebie and not really that special, but I'll point it out. It integrates with XBMC. It's just using XBMC notifications to show you that I've changed the temperature. So when I upgrade it on my update it on my phone, you can see once again pretty responsive, like you'd expect it to be. Lets me know across all my TVs and all my computers in my house that are running XBMC when my temperature changes.